If the last thing you heard about Rongai was from few years ago, it is time to take another look. Many people still remember the old perception of heavy traffic, but Rongai has changed tremendously. Improved road connectivity is one of the things that has become a vital in accessing Rongai. There are also modern residential developments, expanding social amenities, and a growing business community that has transformed the area into the most desirable places to live. In Rongai, we are privileged to visit one of the houses, a 4-bedroom all-ensuite maisonette that goes for Kenya shillings 18.5 million. The house, as we said earlier, it's located in Rongai, and it's in a wild prime area. It's in Ongata Rongai Nkoro area, and it is built on a 50 by 100 plot. So let's get to see what this house has for us. On this side, you have now the green area, and I like it. You can see how big it is. So this you can show you and your family, you can easily set up a place here, or even have some garden kitchen right there. You can do anything because you can see it's quite a big green area. On the side, you can see those trees. They are mature trees. So it is a unit that has been in the market for a bit of a time, about a year, but that's why you can see the trees or the mature trees there, they are just ready when you come to this house. You can also see the perimeter wall, and also there is a wire ensuring that there is maximum security in this house. Coming to this place, you can see the paved, and also you can see there's this tap that gives an adequate supply of water. By this house has an adequate supply of water from a borehole, so you do not have any issue with water when you are here. So the cabro paved parking can fit up to 3 vehicles comfortably, and also maybe for those who want to create a car shed, can set up a car shed here so that your vehicle does not have that exposure of sunlight. So for now, you can see the facade of the house. It looks nice. Now let's get to see it and see what this house, 4-bedroom maisonette, has for us. So on the entry of this house, you get to have this amazing living area or the living room. And one thing I like is this door, because you can see how huge it is. It is a metallic door and it's quite huge. It's even hard to push, but it's easy to just bring in your sofa set or even bigger furniture inside the living area. You have these large windows right here, ensuring that there's a ton of light, and you have another one right here. These make sure that the light within this living room is ample, and also it ensures that there's some ventilation right there to ensure that the house or the living room is airy enough. So from there, we get to have the dining area. The dining area is also adequately spaced. So this one can fit, you could fit up to 8 people comfortably right here. You and your family can comfortably take your meals right here. Then you have these windows right here, ensuring that there's ample of natural lighting, as well as ensure that it's airy. So the windows, you can open them, so ensuring that you have a well-ventilated dining area. So here comes the kitchen, and before the kitchen, you have this, so this is the washing area. So you have this washing area here, then you have a mirror right here, just to make it nice look, and you can either see yourself, or sometimes even you could do that small dressing when preparing yourself right there in the morning. So you have this countertop, that is countertops, granite countertops, strong ones, I like them. And also like the sleek design. So ensure that it is all spanned all over the kitchen, you can see it. Then you have these storage spaces, that you have the upper cabinetry here, then you have your lower cabinetry. This ensures that you can easily store your kitchen items or anything you have within your kitchen, you can easily store them right there. Then you have this hood right here, Then you have a provision for your cooker. So it comes with this hole, and also comes with this modern, it's a modern pipe for water or tap for water, where you can, when you are cooking right here, you can just press it where, maybe add some water when cooking, so it just make it easy instead of drawing the water from the sink. From there, you have now, you have spaces, you have your modern kitchen, your modern sink right here. So you have two sinks, so it's easy to clean as well as to rinse right there. Then you have this access to the DSQ or also the backend, so you can access the DSQ right there, and also the backend of the house right there. Then you can see the kind of socket done all through the kitchen. It ensures it is easy to install your appliances here. Then you have your pantry right here. The pantry is also spaced enough, it's adequately sized, so it ensures you can easily store, you get more storage of your things, your kitchen items, your mandizis here, your waru, everything here, you can easily store them right here. And also you have a provision for your fridge just next to the pantry here, so it's just give that provision inside the pantry, which is also a good thing. But maybe some may feel may want to access the fridge more easily, but I still feel it's a good thing done right there. So after that, we're gonna get to our first bedroom in this house. So I could just show you right here. We have our guest bedroom right there. Then you have stairs right here going up. So we're gonna start with the guest bedroom right here. And also you have your cloak room right there. You can see it was well designed. You can see tiles and everything. They are well just done. So this is a guest room. And I like it. You can see, like, at the moment there's no bulb, or there's no bulb, so there's no electric light, that is. So you can see the natural lighting ensuring that the whole room, it's well just bright enough just to see yourself. Then you have this standard wardrobe right here. It's not a big one, but it's a standard one for the guests. You can see it, and also you can see it is in suit. So you have your WC right there, and also you have your head shower next to it right there. So let's get to see our other rooms inside this house. Now, from the guest bedroom, we get now to use this staircase up to the 3 bedrooms at the first floor of this house. So this is now the first floor in this house. So you have the first bedroom here, then you have your second bedroom right there. Then on my front, you have now the master bedroom. Then you have the staircase that goes to the rooftop. So we're gonna start on my left here to see this bedroom. So when you enter on this room, you get to see it's just a standard sized space. It's big enough to fit a king size bed here. And also you have this window, ensuring there's an ample of natural light that comes through. Then you have quite a much more bigger wardrobe. I think this one would fit one of your kids. If you have your kids, this is where they would really want to stay, because it is just placed right to the master bedroom, and it also just nice through goods, and everything is also en suite, one thing. So you have your en suite bathroom right here, and also everything is there, the WC as well as the sink and the shower head right there. So next we have our second bedroom right here. So you're gonna see it. It is of similar concept with the second bedroom. Sorry, this is the third bedroom. It is of similar concept with the second bedroom. Same window you can see, and also the wardrobe is the same size, as well as the en-suite bathroom right here. So that was our third bedroom. Now we got to get to the master bedroom of this house. So this is the master bedroom of this house, and it's quite a spacious one. I like it because it's almost the same size with the living area. So I'm gonna start on this side because I feel this is where we have these big windows, ensuring that there's ample lighting that seeps in to the master bedroom. And also you can see the view it gives you. It is just a good one because you can see it's just a kind of forest or some green areas there. Maybe when you're here, you could see even the cattle and that's a head of cattle as well as the sheep just grazing right there. And also there's enough, the windows are big to ensure that there's just the room is airy or it's well ventilated. So from there you can also see the lighting of this master bedroom. It's well done. They have the LED lights, the hidden ones, to just make it look amazing. So we have this wardrobe and there are two of them. So you have this side and it's a big one, I can tell you. So you have this side, they are big ones, and also you have this side, and they are just spacious enough to make sure you and your partner can just store your things, your clothes right there. So I like how they have really done it. That is from the floor to the ceiling. Also, of this area, then you have now your ensuite bathroom right here. It is of the same design. You could see you have your WC, then you have your vanity setup right here, and also this ensure that you can put your maybe some beauty products as well as body care products. Then you on the first side you have your head shower right there, and it's just spacious enough to fit even up to 2 people. So from there, you're gonna see the balcony of this master bedroom. It's right here, just a small one, but to give you that essence of somewhere you can just walk outside, maybe even just have that relaxation feeling, maybe take a breathe in and just feel, the community around you. It also, sometimes you can try to rest, maybe even have a cup of coffee just right there. So from here, we get now to the rooftop. But even before that, I want to show you something else. So that was the master bedroom. Now I'm going to show you the laundry area of this house. That is one of the unique features that I feel the developer has done in this house. Because right here is the laundry area, and here you have your ironing table. So this is where you could iron your clothes right here. Then right here, this is where you place now your washing machine, and you have the socket right there. Then from there, you get to hang your clothes outside here. So you just put some hanging lines right here to this side, then you can hang your clothes right here. I like how she has done it because this ensures that it's easy, and also I think it gives some privacy even to you when you're washing or even your house helper. Now from there, we get now to walk to the rooftop of this house. Now you get to reach now the rooftop of this house, and on your exit from the staircase, you have this sink, so you can wash your hands here. Then you have this toilet right here. From there, so you have a setup here, even you have that is a sink here, and also some cabinets here where you could just place some things, but most of it is just used as to hide. That is the plumbing of that is for the sink right there. But you can see it's a big area. So this one, for me, what I would do here, I would put a pergola, because even something else that the developer has done has added some light. You can see these hidden right here. So ensure is that this place you could use it for maybe for family events or even friends events. So you can just place some, maybe a carpet here, some chairs here, and just do have those events, families, the rest. And some people even would use it just as a room. They could close this area and use it even as a TV room. So it's a big rooftop, you can see around, and I like it because it makes just easy to relax as well as to connect, or even just observe the areas within your house. You can see the area, this area, and you can see how green it is. So that is one thing about this house. It's an amazing house and it comes with a lot. So as I said earlier, it's a 4-bedroom with a DSQ and built on a 50 by 100 plot that goes for Kenya shillings 18.5 million. So we have come at the end of this house tour. As I say, this house is in Ongata Rongai, Nkoro area. So if you want to see the short version of this video, you can just go to the YouTube section. That is our channel on the YouTube section. Then on the short section, you can see right there. Or even you could visit our TikTok, our TikTok handle. You could also see the short version of this, and also you can visit our website. So if you are a seller and you want to market your houses, you can easily just go to our website, upload the pictures of your house and everything, and as well as explain all the amenities right there, so it can be easily seen on the website as well as on the internet. So my name is Mago Gerard, and this is Prime African Estate. And also, if you want to contact us, there's the number right there. If you want to come for this house, contact us through the number at the top or at the bottom of the screen. We'll be happy just to come and show you this house.